ONDS Stock Analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in the short 1 minute video, so watch till the end. Specifically, Ondas Holdings currently, I mean, I like the bullish market. It's particular instance, I'm looking to double down, buy more, right? I've talked about this plenty of times before, but since this shift, I'm just biased towards that long side, man. Like this is where we currently are. That's my demand zone. If I don't see a sort of pulling down and giving me, I mean, I doubt that it will pull down and give me my exact rules, because most of the times when it's at the top, it just does and just takes the lows out, the highs out. But I'm ready, I'm open-minded to it, and if something comes, then I'll be ready to pull the trigger on it. So if you do want to learn how to make you 5-10k per month without indicators, then just click the first link in the description. Get my free emails and I'll continue to keep you updated. See you. Goodbye.